Hi friends, today we'll discuss what is meant by investment bank and who is their clients, what are the activities they'll do, what are the services they'll give to the customers. These things we'll discuss today. Investment bank is a financial institution. They provide bundles of services to their clients. Normally their clients are like corporates, big companies, HNIs, high net worth individuals. Investment bank, they do lot of advisory services like merger and acquisitions. We'll discuss in next slide. And these investment banks help corporates to raise their capital, to expand their business. These people will help the corporates or high net worth individuals. They'll undertake mergers, acquisitions, trading of securities, custodian services, AMC and many other activities. Investment banks in the world: ABN AMRO, BNP Paribas, Citibank, Dash Bank, HSBC, JP Morgan Chase, Morgan Stanley, Barclays. Top players in India: Bajaj Capital, ICICI Securities Limited, Kotak Mahindra Capital Limited, SBI Capital Markets, S Bank. What are the services provided by the investment bank for their customers? Corporate finance, capital market, research, merger and acquisition, syndicate, trading, custodian services, restructuring, asset management. Corporate finance. Big corporates, they need finance for expansion or to run their business, day-to-day business they want to run. For this, they need lot of investment. Investment bank, they help identifying the investors and they'll do this activity. Capital market, trade stocks. So these people will guide the corporates or high net worth individuals how to trade, where and what type of bonds are useful, when currency should be bought and sold, and they'll do the research and they'll give the suggestions to the corporates by high net worth individuals, like which company should be bought, when should sell, whether they want to hold, recommendations. So depend on these researches, high net worth individuals or corporates, they'll buy the particular shares and they'll make the profits. Mergers and acquisition, two separate entities combined to new organization. Investment banks they'll play a key role, swapping of the shares and merger, and lot of financial statement should be clubbed and they have to make a new financial statement. Everything they'll do for the companies and high net worth individuals. Acquisition, takeover of a company. These people will help their clients. Syndicate, a group of individuals or companies, they'll become a syndicate for a specific transaction. So investment banker, they'll play key role for the syndicating the individuals or corporates and going for the specific transaction or specific business. Trading, so buying and selling shares, making profits for their clients. These people also, investment banks do the activities for their clients. Custodian services, safeguarding companies' assets or high net worth individuals' assets. These activity also performed by the investment banks. Restructuring, for making more profit, organization want to go for the restructuring, then investment bank help their clients how to restructure, what are the parts to be taken, what are the activities to be taken. These will be taken by the investment bankers. Asset management, process and planning and controlling acquisition, operation, maintenance, renewal and disposal of organization assets. This process improves the delivery potential of assets and minimize the cost and risk involved. These are activities also performed by the investment banks for their clients. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.